capitalism produces more wealth than the next 10 nations all combined. There's more wealth than the next 10 nations all combined. Because of our great productive system, benefits tremendously, and the comparative advantages, benefits.
Do you ever travel to or from work and shortly into your journey realize you just spaced out for the last 5 or 10 minutes? Did you pay attention to your surroundings back there, or actually obey any of the traffic laws? Did you stop when that light turned red without consciously doing so? We've all been there, and commonly it's when we're traveling to or from work. I find that we're preoccupied with our occupation, and here's how I found out.
Today's my day off.
When you have the day off, you approach everything differently. But what changes most is your perspective. When we take a break from the daily grind, we realize how often we're oblivious to it and to our own actions. We go to and from work, to the park, to school, to get coffee, to get lunch, to pick up the kids. Wonder where that person's going. And we don't ever take a moment to slow down or recognize our own actions. We just put our coats on, our heads down, and move. We are part of a capitalist machine, and we're just a small and insignificant cog. If we're removed, the machine keeps moving. It's not for a lack of care. Humans live at such a fast speed, and that's why we have blips in our memory. Why we can drive 5 blocks and not remember it, or walk to work and not remember looking at the scenery, or have a conversation and not be fully present.
We have discussed socialism and communism in our last 2 classroom sessions. It says that if each generation of Americans will develop a clear understanding of our American system of capitalism, how it works, and the comparative advantages it produces for all citizens, then neither socialism nor communism ever will become established in America. So let's see if we can develop a better understanding of capitalism. Capitalism.
My work consumes me. Your work consumes you. Our work consumes us. So the next chance we get, let's try something different. Take a new route to work. Look at something new while we're there. And say hi to someone that we normally wouldn't say hi to. Smile on your way home. Take the day off. Do something different. And see how much you notice.
We'd like to be free, to enjoy states that have large city populations and lots of dissidents, another place to work.